Good morning, Legion. It's the weekend and the Legion never sleeps. Yesterday we had an awesome event in Chicago with other events coming up this weekend in Uyo, Jakarta, and Lampung. Also stick around for the Near merch store. It's going to be premiering in the first week of February with the number of unique designs, some of them actually coming from the Near community. Folks, there's a lot going on in the Near ecosystem. It's an exciting time to be part of one of the most unique crypto AI plays in the world. Nevertheless, it's vital that our community becomes AI literate and aware of all of the larger macro changes to the AI landscape as Near prepares to enter the arena in force. Our first story today hits on one of the most important debates in AI, the general model versus the specific model debate. China has launched its first open source vertical large language model dedicated to the general agriculture sector, marking a significant breakthrough in foundational AI model research and its applications for agriculture in the country. The model, called Sinong, which is named after the ancient Chinese officials overseeing agriculture and finance, integrates content from nearly 9,000 books, over 240,000 academic papers, and approximately 20,000 policy documents and standards. The model is now fully open sourced on platforms like ModelScope and GitHub. Our next story is a visual comparison. Look at the evolution of AI in 2.5 years and how much cleaner, more realistic, and capable it's become. Now imagine scaling that up in the coming 5 years and what the future holds for artists, gamers, and creatives just being born today. AI will not stop, and it's still early. Our last story today is from Axios on Claude Code Behind the Curtain. Some big takeaways from the article as they write. The big picture, 2026 seems increasingly likely to be the year AI will go from fascinating aspiration to actual widespread application. What's crazier? For $100 per month, Claude Cowork is an agent that can take on complex multi-step tasks and execute them on your behalf. Point it at a folder, describe what you want, and walk away. It's on Mac OS only for now, but probably coming to many more places soon. If you've not started using AI apps like Claude Code or Cowork, then it's time to get familiar. If you do not use private Near chat, it's definitely time to get started. The AI future is coming, and only those familiar with the technology and its opportunities and perils will be spared. We'll do this all again real soon.